How to use the text tool on the digital whiteboard. In the toolbar, start by clicking on the text icon. Click or tap on the board and start typing. You can adjust alignment, lists, and styling. You can also adjust the color, size, and font. If you want to use spell check to catch mistakes, for example while building a lesson, click the spell check icon and start typing. For math, you can use the fraction button. And if you need a hyperlink, you can click the chain icon. So let's go to hello. And you can link to the internet, or you can link to a page in your slides.